Sue together with you again. And today I want to show you how you can stop the pedal of your sewing machine sliding down the floor, and what's happened when the pedal sliding on the floor. I need to pull. I need to pull it by the cord, and I need to look for it, and it's driving me crazy when I'm doing work and I am in the progress, I'm sewing, making such a beautiful things. I am creative. In the middle of my creation, suddenly this one slide off someplace, so I really getting upset. And all the time, and I have parquet floor when I'm sewing, so can you imagine? So I found a solution for this situation. So first you need to turn the pedal on the other side. Pedal has this kind of stoppers. They're supposed to stop the sliding, but they don't. So what I found is, if you are gonna take them out, you have to be very careful not to injure yourself. And I'm trying because this one is not. It's coming out, almost coming out. Very stubborn. One came out. I took the other two before just to make it faster on this video. So you put them on the side. What next you do, I found in the dollar store this kind of mats that I'm laying them inside my kitchen cabinets or my kitchen drawers. I did already on my other machine, and I will show you. The other machine, here I found it. And here you go. With the help of my hubby, my husband. Today he's not here, so he won't help me, and I hope I can do it by myself. This is the other machine. It's connected because I'm working here. So this is the pedal, and the pedal doesn't move anymore. But I will want to show you how to do with the other machine. So all you need to do is to put the pedal on the mat, and you need to find the end of it, that you should know where you're gonna cut. Then you'll take either a pencil or this case I'm taking a marker. This marker is red marker, it bleeds all over, giving me the stains, but it's alright. So when you mark, then you move the pedal from it. We're taking scissors, and we cut. Try not to make it too small, because then you won't be able to install it. All right, this mat will go on the side. See, I cut specially not even, so, but I cut it on the shape of the pedal. Turning the pedal on the other side, putting this on the pedal. This is the side that lays on the floor. And all that you can do is, you can take those stoppers and you push them in. Just push them in, be persistent. If you can do it, as I am not so strong, so I'm asking my husband to do it. He can secure it. see one and the second one, you just push it in, just push in. Then we go on the other side, and you see where the hole is that it came from, and you just squeeze in. And the last one, just squeeze in. When you squeezing in, it's gonna stay inside. If something happened, you always can change new one. Just squeeze in. I'm gonna use a little bit of there. I need to force a little bit, force. It'll take a minute, but I am not handy like my hobby is, so he has trained. I can only sew. This is the results that you have. Now, this is the side that you put on the floor. Remember, please don't confuse. When you're turning on the other side, this is the side that you turn into. This is the paddle that you're working with. This one won't move. It stays like glued to the floor, but it's not. You see, it's tough. It doesn't move. Really, I'm putting the force and it doesn't go nowhere. So here you go. This is the solution. This is the other foot that I'm using from the serger. I hope I was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. So long.